Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Safe Haven SHA token and I am going to tell you my next medium duration and long duration target for this token. And I am going to tell you why I am very much bullish on this token and why I think that this token can give you maximum return in 2021. There are some reasons behind this and there are some reasons behind this video. The first reason is that the price of this token is just 1 cent. The second reason is that circulating supply of this token is just 4.7 billion. And third reason is that this token having very good team and this token project is very good. This token's project is very good and very good team. That is why I think this token can give you maximum profit, and this token is in trend in this year 2001. Current rank of this token is 522. Market cap of this token is 50 million US dollars, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 7 million. Circulating sorry for that. Circulating supply of this token is 4.7 billion. Total supply of this token is 8.5 billion. 24-hour low price of this token is $0.01 and 24-hour high price is $0.01426. And let me please show you the website. This is the website. Please do your own research before buying this token or before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose only. I will not responsible any of your losses. So that's why please do your own research. This is the project Safe Haven, building financial asset management and inheritance solutions on the blockchain. Please visit this website and do your own research. This is the website and these are the directors of this token, and very transparent project. That is why here you can see some good names: VeChain, Harmony. These are feature partner of this token, and DigiByte Foundation, and some good names are Matic. Here you can see are feature partner of this token and this project. Let's dive into the CoinGecko page and let me please show you some statistics. In 1 year, this token gives 7,800% profit to its holders. In 30 days, this token is just 5% down. All-time high of this token was on April 2021 and 11 April 2021, just 7 days ago, and the price was $0.017. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was $0.00009745. And this token is available on these exchanges: KuCoin, Emirex, and Ocean, and some other important exchanges. Please do your own research before buying SHA token. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you what are the targets. Here you can see this is SHA Safe Haven 1-day KuCoin chart, and it is currently trading at $0.010988. All-time high of this token on this KuCoin chart is $0.017, and these green lines are support zone for this token, and currently it is breaking this support zone. Maybe price can go to hit this zone. This is strong support zone, $0.0079, and after that I think it will go up to hit this zone. Let me please tell you what kind of profit this token gives in 2021. Let me please show you. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And I am making this video just because of you. And I think this is a hidden gem, and this can give you maximum profit, I think, and it can. This token gives 780% profit in 2021. You can say near about 8x in 2021 in just 3 to 4 months. In this time period, this token gives 782% profit to its holder. And let me please remove this. Let me please show you what kind of profit this token gives in 3 rallies. This is the first pump. After this price increases 182%. This is the first pump. The second pump. Here is the second pump. And price increases approximately 190, I think so, 190%. This is the second pump. And let me please show you the third pump. This is the third pump. And price increases 47%. In first pump, here you can see, let me please show you again. Near about 220%, or you can say 200% in first pump. In second pump, this token gives 190%. After that, price goes down, and after that it pull back and hit again this level, this all-time high level, price level. And in third rally, in third pump, this token gives 48% profit to its holders. Let me please calculate if this happens. If this token break its all-time high, in that case, if we calculate just that, let me please clone this. If we calculate just that pump, and if we put it on that level, in that case, price can go to $0.026, and it can easily, I think so, 0.026 is our first target. I think this token can easily hit this. Here you can see if this token hit that zone, and after that if it pullbacks, and if you buy this at your own risk at that level, in that case, this initial first target can give you 231% profit. This is not a financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. So please do your own research. And according to the technical pattern, support and resistance zone, our first target, once it break this zone, and after hitting this all-time high, this will be the first target, 0.02279. Maybe this token can hit this zone and after pullback, but now here you can see this token's price is pulling back, and I think it can easily hit this. Once it moves towards upside, 0.017, 0.022, 0.026, these are immediate short-term targets this token can easily give you. This token can easily hit these targets, and these are profit. And if this token continue its rally, this token gives 800%. If we calculate just 700% profit from its all-time high, once it breaks its all-time high, in that case, I think in this bull run, this is very very small target, and this token can easily hit this zone. Let me please show you. If I calculate this zone, and if I look at the previous previous bullish target, and if this token hit again 700% or 780%, in that case, here you can see, in that case price should be 0.15, you can say 15 cent. And if I calculate this target, let me please arrange this chart. If I calculate this target from that zone, in that case, what kind of profit it can give you. Let me please show you. $12x. I think this token can easily hit 10 cent to 15 cent in this year 2021, and our target will be in between 10 to 15 cent, and this token can easily give you 7x, maybe 8x, maybe 10x, or maybe 12x in this year. But my target is in between 10 cent to 15 cent. This is the target. I think this token can easily hit this target, and these are the targets. And please do your own research before buying this token. And if you want to open your account in Binance or in Bybit exchange, these are links. These links are available in this video's description and in this video's comment section. Just go to in this video's description and comment section where you can get link of Binance, Hotbit exchange and Bybit exchange. And these are my targets. And please keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching. Take care.